As an example, if you have family members who are negative thinkers, and their vibrations are stronger than you could be easily influenced, and you will soon see the world as the worst place to live in, and everything around you is awful. However, it could also work in the opposite way. If you are gloomy, but your brother or family members are lively, they could influence your feelings and make you feel better. The one with a stronger vibration will affect the lower one, so be careful with this when dealing with people, especially in your workplace and business. There are co-workers who could help you level up, while there are those who prefer to push you down. This sounds true if you have good friendships as well. Your feeling of loneliness, anger, or despair can be removed if they have higher frequencies in happiness or in seeing the beauty of life despite the struggles.